Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your health savings account with HSA Bank step by step clearly. To fix your health savings account with HSA Bank, start by gathering all necessary account information. Log into your HSA Bank online account. Navigate to the account settings or support section. Review any current issues listed on your account dashboard. If your account is locked or restricted, check for any security alerts or messages. Follow the prompts to verify your identity if required. If you encounter errors during login, reset your password through the Forgot Password link. Once logged in, review your transaction history for any discrepancies. Identify specific transactions that need correction or clarification. Contact HSA Bank customer service if you find any unauthorized charges. Locate the customer service phone number or chat support on their website. Prepare your account information and details of the issue before calling. Be clear and concise when explaining your situation to the representative. Follow any instructions they provide to resolve the issue. If necessary, ask for a follow-up confirmation or email regarding the resolution. Once your account issue is resolved, double-check your account balance and transaction history. Ensure all contributions and withdrawals reflect accurately. Regularly monitor your account to prevent future issues. Consider setting up alerts for significant transactions or account changes. Keep all receipts and documentation related to your HSA transactions organized. In case of ongoing issues, document each interaction with customer service for reference. With consistent oversight, you can ensure your health savings account remains in good standing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.